Hey ChoroQ fans, so quick one today. I just picked this up here because it's got a funky cool livery. A number 3 racing car with a blue stripe. And it's quite a bit of a mess with the paint rash. It's weird that I don't understand why a plastic body would get this kind of paint rash. Or I don't know if some kid maybe poured glue on this. Something's wrong. It's got like a weird film looking thing. Anyways, it wasn't expensive, so that's why I got it anyways. It's got standard ChoroQ wheels, black in this case. There's also a molding error on the tire, so, and the tires are, well, no, they're still rubbery. It says 06 on this. It's actually not that old of a ChoroQ. The majority seem to be in the early 2000s. Nicely painted though. It's gunmetal and red back here. No paint here. Little exhaust tip is part of the base. The little vent details. I kind of feel like maybe someone poured glue on this. Okay, nice little badge there, and then it's got these crosshatched like tape patterns on the headlights, which I thought was really neat. No paint down here though. A license plate area, but no plate itself. So it was probably really cheap to sell one. I have no idea what that text means. Maybe it's a race car collection or something. So let's look at a few other Mazdas. Guess it makes sense to start with the RX3s. This is a cool one with some racing stripes, and these are the wheels that came with it. Two-tone, like steel wheels. Very cool. It's got printed on wiper blades as well. It's from Neko Publishing Company. So some sort of collector's book promotion, and it still has the great taillights and stuff like that. This one's actually better. And then this is a yellow one with some different stripes, and it's got like Watanabe wheels, and this is from the Kodawari series. Has all these tack stamps on the windshield, and it actually has printing there in the grill. The other one has it molded, but it's not colored, nor in that one, so there is a molded detail. I think I added my own orange paint though to the turn signals on that. Okay, so those are those guys. Let's look at a few other Mazdas. The legendary 787 that won the 24 Hours of Le Mans. That's this one here. A really obscure RX-7. It tried to compete at Le Mans, but I don't think it did a good job. We have an RX-7 with some sort of Visco Gamma BP oil livery. 3D printed wheels on these last two. And the last one is a different deformation from ChoroQ. It's some sort of Le Mans prototype racer, the 737C. Okay. I like Mazda as a company. I had a Mazda B, basically a Ford Ranger that was a Mazda, and then I had the first generation Miata. So, but I gotta say, my mother had this like piece of junk Mazda GLC in the 1980s, and that thing was garbage. But I still like Mazda as a company. I like their styling these days. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you the next time I get a deformed Mazda car. Bye.